What's up? I'm here with, I got my nails done. Yes, this is a Christmas set. But yeah, so this is from Best Lace Wigs. Says professional hair manufacturer, 100% human hair with affordable price. So you know, this is the regular packaging it always comes in, because it's not the first time I'm getting hair from Best Lace Wigs. Open the box and I see the hair. What else is inside? I got this like little head wrap thing, like you can put it around your edges to hold it down. So this is really cool. I always love getting wax sticks to keep the flyaways away. As it says, fly away. Then we have a comb, a rat-tail comb, a wig cap, and we got a booklet, you know, always explaining hair care and all those stuff. So I'm happy for that. It has their social media and stuff like that. So that's everything that I got in the package. So this is the hair. So this is the wig. Yeah, I changed my background, but it's temporary because usually you guys know I use this background for makeup, but I'm gonna change it. So we got this very full, very soft. Oh my gosh, you guys know this is one of my favorite kind of wigs, right? Short wig. It's so full and nice. Oh my gosh. So this is the code for this is BOB 001, and it's a lace front. It's fully lace front. Yeah, it's a lace front. It's already bleached, as you can see. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it's bleached already. It's 8 inches long. It's 180% in density. I can really feel it, like can really feel the density. And it's a Pixie cut short curly bob. So it has, this is the construction. It has 3 combs in total, and it has adjustable straps in the back. And yeah, I'm gonna jump into applying this right now. I'm so excited. So this is very full, like, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut away some of the lace from over my eyes because it's uncomfortable. And I'm just gonna proceed to start you know, got to being this down. It looks so good though. Like the hairline looks really good. It's a bit too long for me at the ear portion, so you guys know I always cut it away when it is too long. You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made. Driving me crazy, oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing, oh. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. I just got it wet. I use mousse in combination with some conditioner. This is the olive oil wrap set mousse, and this is the Tresemme moisture rich conditioner. Usually when I get this type of wig, I don't usually do the fluff style. Usually I do it like I apply the water and I just brush everything down and let it like have minimal fluff. But today I said let me do something different, and this is what I did because this is a full wig. So if you're looking for a cut like this and you just want to like, you know, you just want that fluffed short look, this wig is for you. Like, it really is. It's really nice. It looks healthy, it's trendy. It's a very trendy style. So I love the meltdown. The lace is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that. Like, so pretty. Like, what? Yes, definitely a wig you'd expect from Best Lace Wigs, being that, you know, it named Best Lace Wigs. I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig, the link where you can get it, all that good stuff in the description box, so you guys can be sure to go ahead and check that out. Shout out to Best Lace Wigs for this beautiful wig. Also guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out my Vlogmas series going on over by PETITE-SUE TV. That's my vlog channel for everybody who's new and don't know. Yes, I have a vlog channel. I reside in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica to be exact, and you know, I vlog my daily life, just a small percentage, and share with you guys. And right now, you know, it's the Christmas season, it's very festive here as well, so I go ahead and vlog my daily life. And yeah, this month is a very active one and it's a very fun one, and you know, we're making the best of it. So yeah, go over there, check out my vlog channel, check out my previous videos over here, and I have more videos coming up, interactive videos coming up very soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye. You're driving me crazy,